Hey guys, it's Russell and welcome back to our Bring the Mercedes Back from the Dead series. The last series, that episode, you remember we did the tire, and I told you that the next episode, which is this one, I'm going to clean the engine and at least make this a little bit more presentable as far as cleaning. Now, I'm probably going to break all the rules washing this car. There is so much dirt and so much algae and things like that that have accumulated on the car. I am going to be using the pressure washer. We're going to be using the Purple Power, both for the engine and for the body. And I'm probably going to bring out something that I haven't used since the 80s to clean this car. I just want to get to it because it's really bothering me. I have a glow plug electrical problem actually on both cars, the Mercedes and the Jetta. The Jetta is disabled right now. I'm trying to sort out a glow plug issue with that. I've got the same issue or similar issue with the Mercedes, which we will cover in another video. But right now I got to get this thing clean so I can see what I'm working with, and just it'll make me feel better and it'll make you guys feel better too, I'm sure. I want to show the Mercedes a little bit of love. So this is in no way going to be the same class of clean as if I were doing some of the cars we've done on the videos. I just want to get this thing presentable. Enough talking, it's really bothering me. Let's get to it. All right, so here is the before. The engine is not greasy per se, it's just covered with pollen and dust. And you know, it is what it is. Now this is the kind of stuff that we're going to be trying to attack, is the algae. There's algae on the wheels. You know, it's all over the place. So I'm going to be using the Purple Power, and it may take several goes at it to make it actually happen, but we're gonna do it. I'm gonna get it cleaner. All right, so I'm gonna let that dwell a while. And then we'll come back and rinse it off with the pressure washer. All right, I'm gonna be using the flexible wand here to get down towards the bottom of the engine. It makes it easier if you've got a little reach on it. All right, that's a pretty good first effort, but I think we can do better. So I'm gonna put the Purple Power in here again and give it just another good foaming. Of course, it's starting to rain. Well, this seems to be the story of my life. We'll be back whenever the rain quits. All right, so that was a good first effort, I think. There's still, it didn't really, we're gonna have to do a contact wash with this, but pretty much there's a lot of leaves and garbage that get in under the trim, but did a pretty good job with the algae, especially on this side, being the north side. It did a good job. Mercedes feels so much better. All right, so what I'm going to do next, I told you, is a little unconventional. I have a boar's hair brush. Actually, these were really popular in the 80s. I've got some, I don't know, about 3 or 4 ounces of Purple Power in the bucket. I'm going to put a couple ounces of the Citrol, Schaefer Citrol, in there. This is not really going to foam up much, but this is what it takes to get this off, and it is removing it, which is good. I know everybody's cringing me doing this, but trust me, it's not going to do anything worse to the paint than it already is. But it is getting the whatever this stuff is on here. Wow, what a difference. All right, so just because I feel bad about the poor Mercedes, this is all the original Adams, the original red that I had. I do have some from their throwback, but this is the original. And we're going to give them a proper bath. We're going to do our 4-mitt system. Let's just get to it. And you're probably asking, well, why am I bothering to do the 4-mitt system? Why not? So much slicker. And there's a lot of junk in here. Definitely needs to be cleared, but it's really, really smooth. That's Citrol is what took most of this off. And that's like, for the stuff that I find, take whatever we took off. I'm going to have to do this straight. I'm going to get that off, but all right. We're getting close. Sorry, I'm not quite ready. That's right. I don't really know how far we're going to go on this. Start placing some string. Hold. Can I tell you something? All right, so I used straight Citrol and an old clay bar I had on the hood, and that got every bit of this off. It's just as slick as glass. All right, so obviously it's going to be a little bit before we actually get to the paint correction, and I can't leave the paint like this. So I'm going to use the Hydro 2. Go ahead and give it at least some protection. And that's the plan. What are you in there? Well, it's better than it was using the Hydro. It is sheeting and beading, obviously, a little bit. I apologize, I'm shooting into the sun. That is not cool. Anyway, the point of the matter is, the Mercedes is clean. So let's take a look at the engine. It's hard to do with one hand. If you guys want to know how to do this, there is a tab right here. You just put that down and it'll go up and it locks into place. So now if you go back and look at what the engine looked like before, that is much better. Anyway guys, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, do so and click that bell next to the subscription button. You'll be notified of new content as soon as I upload it. Hopefully we can get the poor Jetta back running. I can't move him right now, so I will let you guys know about that, and I will see you in the next video.